Hello everyone, welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Are you a Java student or a fresher who wants to become a backend developer but doesn't know how to build real-world applications? Do you feel confused about REST APIs, databases, microservices, and how enterprise companies actually use Spring Boot? Then this video is for you, because today I'm going to introduce our complete Spring Boot training program, a practical, job-oriented course designed to make you industry-ready in just 10 weeks. Spring Boot is one of the most in-demand backend technologies in the world. Top companies are hiring developers who can build REST APIs, microservices, database-driven applications, production-ready systems, and this program is specially designed for freshers and job seekers who want to start their career in Java Backend Development. What you will learn. In this course, you will learn Spring Fundamentals, Spring Boot Architecture, Spring MVC, building REST APIs from scratch, Spring Data JPA, Hibernate ORM, database integration, exception handling, project structuring for real-time applications. Most importantly, you will work on 5+ real-time projects that you can add to your resume. Tools and technologies covered. You will gain hands-on experience with Spring Boot, Spring MVC, Spring Data JPA, Hibernate, RESTful Web Services, Industry Project Structure. Who can join? This course is perfect for Java students, freshers, final year students, job seekers, developers who want to switch to backend development. Course details. Duration, 10 weeks. Course fee, 28,000 rupees. Focus, job-ready skills plus real-time projects. Why this course is different? This is not a theory-based program. This is a practical, project-driven training where you will build applications from scratch, understand real industry workflow, get resume-ready project experience, gain confidence for interviews. Career opportunities. After completing this course, you can apply for roles like Java Backend Developer, Spring Boot Developer, REST API Developer, Microservices Developer. Your future in software development depends on the skills you choose today. Spring Boot is not just a framework, it is your gateway to enterprise Java careers. So don't miss this opportunity. Join Yajentio Training Academy and become a job-ready Spring Boot developer in just 10 weeks. For enrollment and demo session details, contact us today. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe to our channel for more career-focused courses. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.